heart chakra centered mooka, the heart chakra. When it's in alignment, you feel surrounded by love, compassion, joy, and connected to the world around you. You'll be open to experiences in life, and it will feel like challenges, especially in relationships, flow easily and are resolved with ease. It allows us to see all the beauty and love around us and truly connect to ourselves, our loved ones, and the natural world. Hence mooka, which to me is very organic and a lovely tangle. This felt very much to me like it was a heart chakra centered mooka. And it shows 4, and it can be the number 4, it can be a family, it can be whatever resonates to you. Maybe it's the color green. I very much see this as me inside of boundaries that I had a very hard time setting and sticking to, but for my own health and well-being and for me taking care of me, I had to set those. So everybody have an amazing day.